A technology and online age shift is upon us. To stay connected to grandkids, family doctors, and entertainment, elderly people are stepping outside of their comfort zone and surging forward with technology adoption like an unexpected tsunami wave. To keep their doctors up to date on their well-being, elderly people are wearing smartwatches, tracking their vital signs, and syncing to apps on their phones. TV remote exploration is going where older people had never gone before, way past power, volume, and channel buttons to access Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime. Medical and therapy sessions are now routinely done using FaceTime. Family game night is now multi-generational and online with video-connected players. Absolute elder necessities like bridge and bingo are now played online. Don't laugh, it's true. Online bill paying, renewing licenses, registrations is now happening with formerly die-hard stamp-licking check writers. For companies, it means you can't stay with the same game plan in a new reality. Be aware and plan your shifts as well. Brought to you by FairSplit.com. Divide things, not families, online.